So guys, good morning. So muna ang mga hero sa Noriko guys. Gabi ningbuto na ang kuan dira. Abi na ko kung sa ningbuto. Kana de diha katulok kadua ko ni gawas and hadlok ko ba. So karon na nagitown sila. Severe gid ni sila guys. Unsa gud kalisod sa ilang gitrabaho tanawa. Super kalisod sa ilang trabaho guys. So inanaon din siya pag-ilis guys. Oh. Ayaw di asa. Lisod kay ilang trabaho guys. Muna. Mga hero gini sila guys. Kung mag-burn out, dili na ta mo complain guys. Kay lisod kayo.
Wow. Tractor.
Oh, kay naguba man na ilang kuan oh kana.
Butaw diha.
Oh,
Sa kalaw diha.
oh naguba. Nimbuto ang transformer. The transformer is what you call that last night. So look at the way they work. It's really hard. So they need respect. They're the hero of what you call that. Oh, that's really dangerous work.
It's so hard. And we don't have to be.
Yeah.
Look how the transformer.
Yeah, they get what do you call that?
New one.
New one. So I just video this one guys to let you know the work of these people is really hard. So if there's a burnout, we need to be full understand that this work is not easy, especially nighttime. Oh la la,
You can't see.
you cannot see. I thought last night what's going on.
Like the bad guy, right?
They're not a bad guy, they're a good people.
It's for listen if it's easy, Mama.
Then it's hot. That's really sad because they cannot work nighttime to change that, what you call that, that thing there, the big one, because they cannot see it properly. So they will come back morning because it's really easy to them, but you know what, it's really hot guys, you know.
Why did you not do it in boot camp? It's not that hot. How about when it's almost
I think in Ate Josie's house is run out. But you know what? It's burned out last night in the other side, but our electricity last night is just like what you call that. It's not really good. Also.
What happens if you get currently hot?
So they need to be careful. That's why they need to work morning and daylight. Because it's not really easy to get that thing there. That the big one is electricity. That's a really strong power.
If it's buto,
It will be buto. That's a big problem. Look at
What happens if there's no like that?
Huh?
What happens if there's no like that?
If there's no like that, no more power.
What's so big? Looks like a bucket.
Yeah, it's like a bucket. As a big one.
Heavy?
It's heavy.
What happens if it falls down?
Huh?
What happens if it falls down?
That's why they be careful. Because some of the wiring there is what you call that, live.
Alive?
They have electricity because they are not all burn out.
What happens if it's all brown out? They cannot be careful?
No.
Very hard work.
Very hard work. Need to have respect to the people who work that one. It's not easy work, guys. It's really hard. They're the hero, you know? They're hero. Because they're working the electricity. And you need to be proud of them, guys. You need to respect them. Because if they are not working, you don't have electricity. So look at how hard work they are. They climb in the tall pole and they just bring another one. That's a heavy one. So give love and support to the people and respect to the worker of the what you call that Noriko 2, and to all the worker who do like this always every day, that they need have what you call that prayer always, that they are safe, because this work is not really easy. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kuya. Always take care and be safe.